Hi, Deb Pervin here with another Tuesday Tweak. Today we're going to talk about your line of credit. Now, I always encourage business owners to get a line of credit, even though they tell me I don't need one. It is important to go talk to your bank and get a line of credit. Now, what exactly is that? A line of credit is like a credit card, only it's less expensive, but you can borrow up, you can pay it down as you need the funds or as you have excess funds. And there's a contractual term, so it's for a year or for 2 years. If there isn't a contractual term, that means it's a demand note and the bank will leave it outstanding until something happens and they demand to close, or it's good forever. And the other caveat that you need to watch out for is if there some banks have covenants that want you to run a zero balance for a period of time each year. So just make sure you're getting a line of credit that you understand. Now, why do I recommend a line of credit? Well, first, cash is king. This gives you a cushion. I know you have a bit of cash available, but now just think with the line of credit, you have the ability to spend a little more. You can make some investments in the future. You can think about not having as much cash and buying that extra person or buying a new piece of equipment because you have a little more flexibility. You have a cushion. Secondly, a line of credit really tells your customers and your vendors that a bank is willing to back your financial stability. This gives you credibility. It says, hey, this company is well run and can support a line of credit from a third party. This is a great endorsement to have for moving forward and growing your business. The third thing is really once you have that line of credit in place, you're going to see all kinds of opportunities that you never considered because you have this extra bunch of cash, whether it's buying a new salesperson or setting up your operations differently so you're not part of the day to day. All kinds of opportunities come available. Hey, maybe you need to buy your competitor because they're not doing well and they have a great client list. All kinds of things start to look interesting when you have the availability to do so. Now, some businesses get new business through RFPs, and you have to have a line of credit if you're going to succeed at the RFP game, because the easiest way that your potential clients can start weeding through RFPs is to look at who has a line of credit. And that line of credit will support their ability to get the project done, even if they don't get paid quickly or if it's a longer pay period. So it's really important if you have RFPs, if that's how you get new business, that you have a line of credit and you fill that out. And then finally, this is just giving you a downside in the event there's emergency. It gives you a little more time, it gives you a little more flexibility, it gives you some comfort that you'll have the support that you need to work through whatever decision has to be made. So I highly recommend it. Even if you don't need it, get a line of credit for all of these reasons. Borrow up for a month and then pay it back down because it's important that it's used or you won't get it back. That's it for me. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll see you next week.